Today we are going to the bird park on Phuket. The Phuket Bird Park is located on the side of a mountain and covers about 12 acres. It is home to over 1,000 individuals of 100 different species of birds from Asia, Africa, and South America. Walking through the park, you'll encounter colorful hornbills which can be seen in the wild in Thailand, peacocks, African whooping cranes, Nicobar maned pigeons, ostriches, and even emus. Pay special attention to the parrot house. Here in spacious cages live several species of large and colorful parrots. It is very difficult to photograph them, but you can even hold small parrots in your hands and feed them, though for 100 baht. On the territory of the park, in addition to aviaries with birds, there are gazebos for photography, for money of course. Three times a day in the theater of the bird park is a fascinating show. The auditorium is protected from the sun and rain by a canopy. During half an hour, feathered artists show exciting tricks and numbers, ride bicycles, solve arithmetic problems, and collect tin cans at speed. The show is interactive and people can even participate. The show goes at certain hours and is located at the very end of the park at the exit. So calculate your trip here in advance to walk around the park and come to the show at the right time. And at the exit, of course, a souvenir store is waiting for you. Well, where without it at the resort? In general, if you are interested in birds and everything that is connected with them, welcome to this park and we will see you on the next excursion.